This 2 wigs kindly looking the same from outside, which means when you install it, you will find this two is the same wig. They both are 12 inches and they both are same texture like body weaves, but actually these 2 wigs are very much different. Let me explain the difference. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let me show you on 2 wigs. These 2 wigs. So where is the difference of these 2 wigs? So firstly, let's see inside of these 2 wigs. This both are closure wig, but you can see that one wig is noticeably bigger compared with the other. So they both are transparent closure wig, but this one is made of 5x5 lace closure and this one is made of the 4x4 lace closure. So definitely this one will give you a more space for parting. So you will have more space parting here. So otherwise they are the same like. And also the other difference is this hair is different quality. This is made of the Remy hair and this is made of the raw virgin hair. So they may looking similar, but when you touch it you will feel they have different kind of touch. So raw virgin hair will give you a kind of a coarser and stronger hair strand fitting, and Remy hair will give you a softer and more smoothly feel when you touch it. Though this hair is more softer and smoother, and this one is kind of a raw hair will give you a very much stronger feel. And they both are very beautiful. So if you have already tried our hair, you know that no matter our raw hair or virgin hair is no matter our raw hair or Remy hair, they both are quite good quality. You won't face any issue like tangling or shedding. You won't face the issue. And this is the Remy hair. It's still very beautiful and give you a very good longevity because we source the best hair Remy hair. So you will no need to worry about the quality of the hair. So it's very beautiful as well. And this is 12 inches body weave texture, 4x4 lace closure wig and 5x5 lace closure wig. Very beautiful wigs. So if you want to get your best hair wigs, no matter Remy or virgin hair, you can contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.